Unlock the power of Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are an exciting way to share fleeting moments, connect with followers, and express your creativity. With their temporary nature, disappearing after a single day, they provide a unique platform to share your current thoughts without it sticking around. Plus, engaging stories can significantly boost your audience and account. Understanding aspect ratios. One key to crafting stunning Instagram stories is to understand aspect ratios. The aspect ratio refers to the proportional relationship between the width and height of an image or video. For Instagram stories, the ideal aspect ratio is 9:16. This means that for every 9 units of width, your story should be 16 units tall. This ratio fits perfectly with smartphone screens, ensuring your content fills the entire display without any awkward cropping or black bars. The result? A highly immersive experience for your viewers. But that's not all. Optimizing the specific pixel dimensions of your story is crucial for the best quality on all devices. The recommended dimensions are: width, 1080 pixels. Height, 1920 pixels. Using these dimensions ensures that your story is displayed without blurring or pixelation. Keep in mind that Instagram might compress larger images or videos slightly, but your quality remains largely intact. Additional considerations for your stories. In addition to getting the dimensions right, there are several other factors to consider when creating your Instagram stories. Safe zones. Pay attention to safe zones, which are areas where your text and captions won't be obscured by profile pictures or interface elements. Portrait versus landscape. Since most Instagram stories are viewed on smartphones held vertically, create your content in portrait mode. Minimum requirements. While the recommended dimensions help maintain quality, Instagram allows for minimum sizes of 600 by 315 pixels. Quick tips for optimization. Remember, while dimensions are critical, optimizing your stories involves more than just size. Here are a few quick tips to enhance your Instagram stories. Use high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Incorporate engaging visuals and captivating text to draw viewers in. Add stickers, polls, or questions to promote interaction. Use music and sound effects wisely to create a mood. With these strategies, you can create visually stunning, interactive Instagram stories that keep your audience coming back for more. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.